This is the splart style duplex receptacle. You notice there's no hole in the center, only up here and down here. I'm taking this off and putting it back on to show you how it's mounted. Real easy stuff. You just have to be methodical and careful, and you make sure that somebody who's qualified knows how to do electrical installations on these device plate covers that I create for you. So you see, no center hole. Up and down. These two screws are gone from the original one. I replaced them with patinaed brass screws. Oval heads. It goes there. This goes up here. This gets confusing for a lot of people. I love these screwdrivers. Installation of the splart duplex receptacle, classic design, oversized, and this is mounted flush against the wall. And then we go turn on the power because we turned it off before we started this operation. And this is how I design my plates. If I were to put the screw here, this whole tab would eventually break out. So if I put the two screws here, it makes for a more stable installation, and you, the client, are a lot happier. And this is just a plain one. I have these in fish, leaves, whatever you want, whatever you feel comfortable with, and they're available at splart.com. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.